Hello and welcome to this tutorial on MagicLight AI, a powerful platform designed to create high-quality AI videos for social media, including YouTube and TikTok. These videos are not only a way to save time and resources, but also an effective method to build new stories, explore ideas, and produce engaging content. Get the link in the video description to get started with MagicLight AI for free. And stay in this video to participate to our giveaway campaign and win a pro license. Head to Story to Video to generate a complete video story from a written script, taking inspiration from the most viral topics on the right. On the left, set the aspect ratio and the main language. Then, the AI model to use. For example, Gemini 3, which is very powerful for generating cinematic videos in a short time. Below, choose the style model among more than 20 different types. For example, the realistic one. Enter your script, up to 12K characters. If needed, use the expansion option to extend the script and make it more detailed. Below, set the video duration, up to 50 minutes. Go to Next to launch the AI generation of the basic video structure that you can review in details for each single scene or shot. Continue to Next to define the cast, such as the characters that appear in the video. For each one, adjust the name, choose the voiceover, the gender, its age range, and also its appearance from the long list available. You can also add other characters if the generation is not satisfactory. You can also define your own custom character, providing any image or generating one with AI. Click on Next to generate the complete storyboard compositions with AI, such as one slide per each shot. Review the storyboards list. You can see how the platform keeps a strong consistency across characters without requiring additional setup. In the top left corner, adjust the voiceover speed and choose the voice you want to use. You can also open voice cloning to create a custom voice by selecting the gender and uploading an audio file. On each storyboard, review the voiceover text at the bottom and the big thumbnail preview. You also get several options on it, which allow you to refine the content quickly and with high accuracy thanks to the Nano Banana 2 model. On the right, edit the characters included in the current storyboard, change the general scene, or generate a different storyboard variation with a new prompt. In the bottom right corner, go to Animate to turn any storyboard into a short clip. Choose the AI model to use, then decide whether to animate the selected storyboard or the entire list. This converts the storyboard into a complete video, including sound effects and background audio, and with no narration. Once your storyboards and animations are ready, go to Next to define the video metadata. Set the thumbnail, add the cover title, choose the overall style, adjust subtitle formatting, and add background music if you need it. Select Generate to produce the final video with AI, choosing the aspect ratio and the output quality up to 1080p HD. The video will come with a title, summary, and recommended hashtags, ready for its publication on the socials with minimal effort.
Inside Magma Keep, Lyra stands motionless, the volcano's pulse resonating through the obsidian floor beneath her. Servants murmur in hushed tones, their whispers lost in the keep's constant rumble. Fear and concern cloud their faces as they offer useless remedies, their anxiety palpable.
MagicLight AI is a powerful tool for fast and efficient video creation. You can now participate in our exclusive giveaway to receive one of the pro licenses for free.
Challenging the flames and the heat.
Leave a comment below describing what you would like to create with MagicLight AI. Then sign up to the platform using the link in the video description. Once done, contact us through email to get your license right away.